In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can easily add infinite scroll to your Dawn theme on collection page, like in my example. If you add this feature, very important to follow official Google recommendation about SEO optimization. I will add the link in the description to this video. Also, there are some best practices how to use it, and leading brands follow these small UX things. Like remember loaded content. It means that your user, for example, from collection page go to product page, then go back to collection, and he will stay on the same place. Not every code or app have these things, so just you need to know about it. Also, it's nice when the style match your brand, and this is lightweight. All these features, including the official guides and after SEO optimization, you can find on Fab Infinite app. I will use it to set up my collection page. Also, it's good to know that app comes with support, and you don't need to worry about some updates from a Shopify site, because when you use the code or hard developer, each time when something updated on the Shopify site, you need to your pagination can broke, and you need to rehire developer or again find the and edit the right code. So with app you don't worry about this, because everything this on the developer's side. In the app dashboard, just follow the setup guide. Interface is simple and user-friendly. At first, we need to activate app empty. Just press activate button. You will be automatically redirect to your store. If your browser blocks this redirection, just do it manually by going to your theme and find app empty. Then search for Fab Infinite Scroll. Make sure toggle is on and press save button. After this, close this tab and go back to your apps dashboard. We see that app empty was successfully activated, and now is the time to go to settings. We have two options. We can use infinite scroll or load more button. On the right, we see the preview. In our case, we use infinite scroll, like this animation with text or without. You can set up everything below. You can choose different animation types. I will use the first one. It's classic and works pretty well. You can change the size of the spinner, color, turn on, turn off the text. I think with text is a good option. It's pretty obvious what is in progress on the collection page. For users, you can change the text, everything else. And let's also check important things. Make sure that toggle remember loaded content is on. This feature which I explained previously. So users will go back to the same position on collection page. In advanced settings, just make sure that toggle is on near the search engine friendly pagination. It will automatically optimize your collection page to the Google guidelines. Other settings you can skip. It will be needed just in case you have a legacy theme or a very custom theme, but the app automatically works with most number of themes, and if not, you can always write to the support and they will help you. Also, small things, but maybe you will want to know about it. This app will work on other pages like search results in blog too. But if you want to turn it off on some other pages, you can add their URLs here. Usually, store owners use same infinite scroll on everywhere instead of basic pagination. Great. Now let's turn on our infinite scroll and go to the theme to check it live. Our scroll working perfectly. So this is it. We improved our basic pagination with popular infinite scroll. It helps to engage more and search more items for users. It's great for UX. We have also automatically all main features like SEO optimization and other small things that use leaders of e-commerce in this case. Hope you like my video and press like button. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next tutorials.